How to connect Tapswap to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Binance, then go to your profile by clicking on the top left hand side corner, and here you get your ID on the top. Simply click on it and it will be copied successfully. After that, open up Tapswap, and on Tapswap you can click on this option of task, then go to the option of special, and under the special you would be able to find the option of join Binance. Simply click on it. Currently that particular task is not available, but it was available. It might come again. Just simply click on that particular task. Then you need to provide your ID, you have to KYC your Binance account, and after providing all these details and doing KYC, you would be able to connect your Binance ID with Tapswap, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.